These views really got me thinking of the simple joy of driving. Come with me because I'm going to be sharing with you what I consider to be the key aspects of enjoying a car and in general driving cars. I've come up with some thoughts about this topic and I wanted to share it with you guys. If you have some thoughts about this thing, feel free to drop a comment and we can discuss about it. I will be replying all of the comments. But first, let's do a bit of context. Where am I? Because this certainly looks like heaven, right? Some kind of Dubai? Well, it's not Dubai. We are in Spain. This is La Manga, which is a cool city, village, something like that here in Spain. I'm going to be driving around here so I can show you while we talk about this thing. Let's do it. The disconnection you feel when you hop on your car and all of a sudden all you have to do is safely drive your car. Now let's start moving. Coming back to the topic, the disconnection you feel when you're driving your car, it's a really cool sensation in my opinion, because all of a sudden you have to be focusing completely on driving your car safely. And in our lives we have a lot of stuff to think about. We have our lives, jobs, taxes, whatever. You get my point. And the moment you hop on the car, you are just focusing on driving. Isn't that lovely? I think it is. No notifications, no emails, no WhatsApps. It's just you and the open road. Let's talk about the freedom that a car can potentially give you. You can obviously drive wherever you want with your car, and just having the possibility of doing so feels so empowering. Obviously, you don't have to be driving, I'm from Spain, so I don't have to drive to Germany to feel the freedom. It's just having the possibility of doing so. And when you have all of that freedom, it feels amazing. You don't need an expensive car to do it, and it's just great. The freedom of coming here to have these amazing views and drive this thing is just cool. Obviously, you could be walking here, and it will probably be equally as exciting for some people. But hey, for me personally, I'll just like to be driving here, roll down the windows, and enjoy life as it is. Take a look at what a car can actually give you. It's pure freedom. The power that a car gives you to make just great memories. Obviously, with the freedom of traveling anywhere, you are actually traveling there. So visiting new places always be a great memory to have, and you will remember that in the future with joy. The car community is great because you will have the chance to meet people that share the same interest as you do. So you will be able to talk with them about cars, but later on, if you really get along with them, they will become basically your friends. I have the luck of having met a lot of people this way, people that I now consider to be my friends. And I don't know about you, but I think those are great memories. Last but not least, that's going to be those drives that you do all alone, maybe in the night, maybe this drive that I'm sharing with you guys. It's just a personal experience and a core memory of my life, probably. The connection that you feel with the car, it's something really important for me. This is not just a tool that makes you go from A to B. It's something more important. Once you start getting used to driving cars and driving your car, you will feel more and more connected to it. You will drive it smoothly, and it will respond to your demands in the exact way you want it to. That means if you wanted to make it sound, you can make it sound. If you want to shift gears, you will do it smoothly. You have full control of your car, and I love it. And finally, the simplicity of driving. Modern world is just too complicated. You have your taxes, job, social media, everything is just so tiring and stressful. Driving a car is as simple as it can be. It's just one task. Let's be careful with this guy. And you focus on it, that's it. I think having the chance to do just one thing, driving your car and enjoying it, it's just the simplicity of it that I find it so enjoyable. In 2025, that's not common. So again, guys, feel free to drop a comment and share your opinion on this topic, because I think we can have an interesting conversation in the comment section. Also, feel free to subscribe. We are growing organically and I'm planning to keep uploading videos. So if you like this content, subscribe. So that's what the simple joy of driving means to me. It's not about the car, the power, or the speed. It's about the feeling it gives you. What does the joy of driving means to you? Let me know in the comments below. And see you on the next one.